Now, how do you remove anything from Movavi Picverse? You want to remove something that you don't want in a picture. So just like this lady here, I want to remove these rings on her hand. What do? I'll just come here after inserting the picture. If you want to insert this picture, just come here and maybe we'll just choose the picture, maybe just like that, and then it will just come in. Now you just go on your right hand side here. There's this icon called something like an emoji that is laughing. Click it, it will give you more option. Then you'll just come here, blemish removal. Then you'll just come here and you just click here and it will give you this circle here. What will I do? I'll zoom the picture until where the rings are, like that. Then I'll just click like this. I'll play around with the brush. Maybe if it's so big, so small, I'll put it like that. Click again, you see it's removing. As you can see there, just click to remove, just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that. Also here, I'll increase the brush a little bit. Now just click like that, click like that again. You can see the ring is disappearing. You can reduce the brush size. Then you can just rub like this, click like that, and it will just go away. But you realize you have to be very careful. It might damage the structure of the fingers. So just click here again to correct this side. Also come back here again. Click this one here. Then you can just zoom out again. You see the rings are gone. That's how to remove something in Movavi Picverse. Let me try to remove this one here. Maybe if I click, let me just try this just by the way to see if it's going to remove. It's gone. You see also this button here. Yeah, that's how to remove that's how to use Movavi Picverse to remove unwanted parts or unwanted objects in a picture. See you in the next video.